In order to figure out where the curve crosses itself, you have to look at the graph. So go ahead and pause, graph this, and see what you see. What my recommendation is to look in the window from negative pi to pi. If you did, you'll see that it crosses at the point 2, 0. And so I need to find out what my t is at that time. So 2 equals 2 minus pi cosine t, which tells me that 1 or I can say that it tells me that 0 equals negative pi cosine t, which means that cosine t has to be 0, so that's at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. So that's where I'm going to look. So now I have to find that's my t. I have my point, my xy, and now I have to find my slope. So dx dt is going to be pi sine t, and dy dt is going to be negative pi cosine t. Oh, sorry, 2 minus that, because there's a t there, to 2 minus pi cosine t. So that gives me dy dx as 2 minus pi cosine t over pi sine t. So I need to look at my two values. The dy dx at pi over 2 is 2 times 0 over pi times 1, so it's 2 over pi. And at negative pi over 2 is going to be 2 minus 0 again, and pi times negative 1, so negative 2 pi. So my equation is going to be y equals 2 over pi x minus 2, and y equals negative 2 over pi x minus 2 for the equations of the tangent lines where it crosses.